In today's episode, we will be making this beautifully colorful handmade soap using soap and bath bombs kit by Craft Evolved. The link to the product is in the description below. This is where we left off in our previous video, where we were making double layer handmade soap. Today we will continue making soap using one of my favorite technique. I am not aware of any official name for this technique, but we can call it chunk soap. This method is fairly simple, but gives us very colorful and joyful looking soaps. It is also a great way how you can reuse older soaps that were created some time ago and do not look so great anymore. Maybe you don't want to throw them away and looking for a way how to reuse them. Then this is it. On the table, I have a few soaps which I did not make today. A purple bear and a yellow rabbit. I made them actually about 3 months ago. The chunk soap method consists of cutting up one soap into small pieces. Then you take the small pieces of soap and put them into the silicone mold. Once you fill up the mold with the soap chunks, you take a clear soap base and pour it over it. The size and color of the chunks are completely up to you. If you follow along for the first time, most likely you do not have an old leftover soap from the previous crafting. In that case, you may need to make a new color soap just for this purpose. As I already mentioned, we will use a clear soap base to fill up the mold where we placed soap chunks. You may notice by now that always when using a clear soap base, I am adding also white sparkling glitter. I just like the effect of it. You may leave out the glitter if you choose to. Once you fill up the mold, let the soap cool down for about 30 minutes. The cooling time may differ based on your room temperature. And this is how the chunk soap looks like. I am wondering if you got the same or similar or completely different results. It would be really awesome if you could visit our Facebook page and post there pictures of your soap. Maybe I can learn something from you. Perhaps you have some questions and can't find the answers. In that case, please post your questions, comments, suggestions, or even concerns in the comment section below this video. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm, which in return will motivate me to create more videos like this one in the future. I will be making a follow-up video on how to make homemade bath bombs, so make sure to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.